Question, what's the best way across London?
And by best, of course, speed is important, but we're also thinking about sustainability and style and comfort.
Well, today we're going to put 3 modes of transport to the test, and we're going to race from here in Paddington all the way to East London to the London XL.
Which also just happens to be the venue for Everything Electric London this March 28th, 29th and 30th, which you should totally come to, linked down below for tickets.
Subtle.
I know.
And this is a real race, so Imogen, no running.
Yes, and Helen, no swearing at pedestrians, no running red lights, I know what you like.
Okay,
Ready?
people, 3, 2, 1, go! Coming behind your left. This is great. I love cycling across London on days like this. And I'm well up for this race.
I'm going to go on the Underground, I'm going to go on the Elizabeth line. I don't even need to change trains. And in fact, I don't think I even need to rush. I am going to take my time and enjoy this journey.
Let me be very clear on one thing. I love cars, I like driving them. I don't like driving in London. I live in London. Most of the fully charged crew live in Bristol. So this charming little stretch of road known as the Westway, I spend half my life going up and down this thing at 8 miles per hour.
Incidentally, it may interest you to know that we're giving away a brand new BYD seal at our Everything Electric London show this weekend. More on that later.
Hadn't quite factored the amount of walking that we needed to do from our start point onto the train. So I am a tiny bit nervous about that, not least because Helen is so fast.
I do love these cycle lanes. Look at this, there's this massive blue, bright blue cycle lane and there's nobody on it apart from me. This is brilliant.
Oh yes, traffic as far as the eye can see. It's not even rush hour. It's 10:30, go to work. If I was in a very narrow microcar, I could be filtering through. Or a, bicycle.
There's actually quite a lot of headwind here, but I don't care because I'm on an electric bike. Can't tell the difference.
I've got some fun facts about the London Underground. Only 45% of the tube is actually underground. The rest of it is in fact overground. And also, it goes to Heathrow, so you can get from Heathrow to XL in under an hour, in 54 minutes. You can even go from Reading to the London XL in like 77 minutes. Big fan of the Elizabeth line.
It's kind of frustrating not knowing quite where the others are, whether they're ahead of me or not. I reckon Jack's stuck in traffic. He must be.
Update from car, 10 metres or so further than last update. Oh, 12 metres.
Coming up to a junction here. Oh, is this traffic light going to slow me down? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Don't want to wait. Okay, right, we can go.
Ah, the glorious sight of the pancreas, which means I have reached the end of the worst stretch of road in London. I might actually start to make some progress now.
Okay, so that huge Great Cycle Superhighway took me all the way across London, about 7 or 8 miles, pretty much in one straight line, and now I'm taking a bit of a detour off it to get to the XL.
We're at Canary Wharf. The next stop is Custom House, which is where the London XL is.
All right, we're making progress now. We are just passing Angel.
Next station, Custom House.
Whatever the others are up to, I bet they're not seeing as much of the city as this.
I need to try and find where they are on the pin.
So I think we are meeting just over there.
I'm looking for cameraman Louis. His pin is somewhere.
Okay, here we are. Oh, and I can see Imogen. I was beaten.
Second
No.
place, I'm afraid, Helen.
So how long have you been here?
Actually, only 10 minutes, so it was pretty close.
It's not bad. It took me 50, I reckon. And where's the other one then?
That sound means I'm doing the speed limit, just so you know. Oh, I can see something Excel-y. Okay, we're here, London XL. Don't know where we're going to park. Where are we going to park, Andy?
Just run.
Move!
Go.
Okay. Close third.
Not close.
We've been here a while.
How long's a while?
We've had sandwiches.
Were they tasty?
They were great.
Did you get me one?
No. Sorry. You've been in a car. It's been nice and warm.
I've been in a car for hours. I'm hungry.
What was it in total? What was your total journey time?
1 hour and 32 minutes.
Grim.
I think I probably averaged 7 miles per hour. Well, I mean, I probably did because it's what, 9 miles? I
Yeah.
think we're agreed. So yeah, that's not great, is it?
I
Don't go by car.
saw a statue of a goose,
That's nice.
and I saw someone being arrested. It was quite exciting.
This is the thing about cycling. You're out in the world. You see things. You
See
experience
the
things.
wonders of London.
Was it a nice ride?
It was actually. It's like there were big. There was a big cycle superhighway, and I was on that almost all the way.
Did you? Who won?
I won.
Is this a podium? Are we doing a
Sitting on
podium
the top
thing?
step for a reason, Jack.
Sit where I belong.
Sit in you. Know your place.
Right. So timings.
40.
50.
Oh. What? I feel wronged by the allocation of vehicles today.
I think I had an unfair advantage, and it was really nice. I would say it was speedy. Didn't quite get to see the sights of London, but I was toasty warm, and I won. So, you know.
Well, the point is, this is the brilliant thing about living in a city, right? And you know, you and I are Londoners, and the thing is, you can choose. You can choose your mode of transport depending on what time of day it is. You can switch between modes of transport, which I love doing. And so, actually, it's we've demonstrated all the options, and actually, we could have mixed and matched as well.
It's lovely to choose. It's lovely to have choices, but don't choose the car. I think is the conclusion from today. Well, I suppose all that remains to do is to shamelessly plug the show again. Imogen?
Yes, 28th, 29th, 30th of March. Details of how to get tickets are in the description box below.
Yep.
We'd love to see you there.
The biggest electric vehicle test drive programme the world has ever seen.
That's quite a claim. And
And
But
panels.
it is not just about the cars. I mean, there's loads of other stuff here as well, in case everyone's,
That is extremely true.
alternative to cars.
This is very
It's
true,
okay.
Helen. So there we go. Get your tickets now. Come join us at London XL this Easter weekend.
Fancy winning a BYD seal, a bunch of My Energy tech, or a brand new e-bike? Then get yourself down to Everything Electric London this Thursday, Friday and Saturday at London XL, where we're giving away all of those things. It's going to be a fun-filled, feel-good exhibition for all the family, and you'd be crazy to miss it. Tickets available in the link down below.